Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete application on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can scroll down and then you can select apps option. Okay, and then you can select manage apps here and then select uninstall option at the top. Okay, and then here will appear the application you could delete from your device. Well, after selecting the app, you can press uninstall here. Okay, and then the application is successfully deleted from your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete application on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.